Our next experience area is all about material flow. I'm joined now by Mr. Rob Rain from our product management department. Hello, Rob. How are you doing?
Hi, Mark. I'm well, thank you.
So, Rob, why don't you explain to us some of the hardware and software that you're showing in this experience area?
Right. It's all about material flow. We can keep material in towers. We can move it in cassettes. We've got hardware for transferring cassettes. PCB magazines, another material that we use, the robot to transport it, and of course software to coordinate it, like Flow Optimizer and Factory Material Manager.
Okay, Rob, so that's a lot of interesting pieces of hardware and software. How does that all come together? How does that help our customers?
Well, it takes the labor out of all this material delivery process. So Material Flow Optimizer can plan how the material is going to be delivered and pass that to Factory Material Manager so we can deliver it from the tower. And then, of course, we have the robot that can deliver to a magazine loader or a cassette transfer station right there on the line. So the only thing left for the operator to do is splice the reel.
That's great, Rob. So we automate planning, but we also automate delivery to the line. That's fantastic. I know you're going to be doing some live demonstrations during Productronica this week. So I hope you have a great day at Productronica.
Thank you, Mark.